what do you think is the habit that a businessman must possess to become successful on what he does? If you ask me what's the most important trait of an entrepreneur or a businessman, baka hindi nyo magustuhan yung sagot ko. Because you're asking for a habit, I believe in a trait. Ugali. Para sa akin, ang pinaka-importanting ugali ng isang entrepreneur is humility. Anong humility? You see, I can be a good planner. I could be a good marketer. Pero I notice, nasisira lahat yan sila sa yabang. Anong yabang? Pagaling kang marketer, so you promise more than you can deliver. Kasi magaling kang mag-sales talk, yung yabang mo made a bigger promise. Mamaya nawala. Masipag ka, matalino ka, magaling ka magplano. Ang dami ko na nakita nga, ang galing magplano. Kulang sa gawa. Okay? Pag nagkapera na, winawaldas. Ako, when I say the most important trait of an entrepreneur or businessman, or in fact, basically a person, is humility. Bakit? Kasi humility recognized na lahat ng meron siya, bigay ng Panginoon. So, dapat naayusin niya. However, I want you to know that though people say I'm humble today, I have not always been like this. I was very arrogant, mayabang ako. When I was younger, I would fight with people who do not agree with me. Over time, I realized, yun ang pinakamalaki yung mistake, to be arrogant. Hindi ako natuto sa ibang tao, winaldas ko pera ko, ako feeling ko magaling ako, so imbis na umangat ako ng mabilis, hindi ako umangat properly dahil sa yabang. So if there is a trait that you want to develop, I suggest it's humility. Knowledge will make you arrogant. Today, dami-daming bata. Daming alam. Ayaw makinig sa magulang. Ayaw makinig sa boss. In fact, I see this reel sa Facebook ba yun? It's a commercial of looking for another job kasi pinotion ng isang parang job seeking application. So yung taong nandun, binabaril niya yung boss niya, patay yung mga boss niya. Okay? Kasi feeling niya, boss na may problema eh. Hindi boss problema. Ang problema yung tao because boss have their goals, have their desires. Ikaw ang sumali. So paano nagkamali yung boss mo? Walang boss na gusto magalit. Walang boss na gusto mag-fire kasi it's very expensive. Pero pag practical na papagalitan, dapat siguro you should have the humility to ask, ano, what's wrong with me? Ba't ako parating napapagalitan? Maski palitan mo boss mo, basta mali ugali mo, parating kang mapapagalitan. So kaya para sa akin, the most important trait of a businessman is humility. You get to learn from other people. You get to learn from your experience. You get to preserve the money you have kasi hindi sa'yo yan, galing kay God. You get to help other people. Sana nakatulong ako sa'yo.